Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC tries to hold the support levels here. Okay, so we've got next support at $70 cents. That'd be nice. 70 cents and 64 cents. Okay, so you can see that when the market topped here, we had a corrective pullback in a three-wave structure into our support area, and the price already tries to reverse out of it, which is intended. That's what we want to see. However, we are definitely not out of the woods yet. It's definitely MATIC is definitely not out of the danger zone yet. Can easily still come back into the support area. To be honest, it has really only just left it. Broke above that descending trend line there, which I made you aware about, but it was really only a very early signal that maybe a low is already in. So for anybody who hasn't watched previous videos, if you don't know exactly where we stand here on the with regards to the wave count, scenarios, price structure, the idea is that a larger degree wave 2 correction could have completed here on the 11th of September, which means there is a certain likelihood that a new uptrend, a lasting uptrend, a sustainable uptrend has started on the 11th of September. However, it would have to be a diagonal structure and basically not an impulse, which makes it less trustworthy. Doesn't mean that a diagonal can't always be aggressive as well. It simply means that it is a bit ambiguous because diagonals are made of corrective structures, basically. So yes, it's a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that 5-wave move consists of ABC structures, okay? ABC in wave 1, ABC in wave 2, ABC in wave 3, and so on. We're now likely in wave 4, and I'm leaning towards the yellow wave count, in which we can get one more high into the region around $1.20 plus. So if we get into this region $1.20 plus, then this would complete a 5-wave move to the upside, a leading diagonal. And then we are going to watch for the pullback afterwards for another tradable setup that could then really set the price up for an aggressive rally. It is likely that in any wave 2 pullback, so if this was, let's assume we get the 5 waves, then we call this a wave 1. This would be the wave 2. It is likely that in the wave 2, the price comes back into the current price region. Yeah. So we might get one more high. That is currently what I'm leaning to. But a break below 64 cents will mean that likely the white wave count is playing out, which is here this A, B, C structure, in which the price is likely going to make another low in the green support area between 41 and 50 cents. So really, it's quite simple. It's actually really simple. The 64 cent level is the main pivot between a high into the region around $1.20 plus and a low into the region between 41 and 50 cents. We can only really have trust, more or less trust. Yeah, there's never certainty, it's just probabilities in the markets, but we can really only have, let's say, some trust into a more lasting uptrend if the price manages to form a 5-wave structure to the upside. Until then, this can easily still break down. And a break below the 64-65 cent region would allow us to understand it likely is breaking down. Nothing is guaranteed. It's all about probabilities because they strongly start to shift below 64 cents towards the white wave count. With regards to the wave structure of this current move to the downside, I'm counting it as an ABC structure at the moment. I mean, you can count it in different ways. Also, what this is a bit uncertain. It is possible that we're just dealing with a WXY structure at the moment. So WXY, and we're now A, that could be a triangle here. So there are different options. For example, let me show you another variation. So the low could be in, but this is just not strong enough. We haven't even broken above the previous high. So a break above the following levels will increase probabilities that a low has been established, 79.8 cents and then also 87 cents. But it eventually takes a break above the 98 cent level. But in terms of different possibilities. It could be that instead of ABC, this is a W, X, Y. And then within this structure, within the Y wave, we have an A wave down, which bottomed then here on the 22nd of November. This sideways move could be a B wave and then one more low in wave C. So this could be a triangle, B wave triangle. Yeah, B waves can be triangles. It's just that I haven't got enough waves yet to really confirm that. But it could be some kind of a, you know, B waves can, as corrective waves, can be triangles. And the good news is if it is a triangle, then so we typically know that from triangles that they are the second to last waves of a cycle. So likelihood is if it's a triangle, it will make just one more low and that's it. And then we can go. So that's sort of what I'm observing at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those channels in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.